In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tile to Life360. Alright, so I've got my iPhone in hand here, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Life360 app, just tapping it like normal and waiting a second for it to load up. Once it's open and I'm on the main screen, I'm heading straight down to the bottom of the app and tapping on the Locations tab. It's right there along the bottom bar, and when I tap it, the screen shifts to show all the location related stuff. Now that I'm on the location screen, I'm going to pull up on the scroller. I'm just dragging upward with my thumb, and that opens up more details on this page. You'll see extra options start to slide into view as you pull it up. I usually take this part slow, just so everything loads properly and nothing gets skipped. Once that section is fully pulled up, I'm scrolling down a bit, just a gentle scroll until I see the option that says add an item. When that shows up, I tap right on it. That's the option we want because this is where you can start linking something new, like a tile. At this point, before anything connects, I make sure my Bluetooth is turned on. I'm not changing any settings here, just double checking that Bluetooth is already active on my phone, because Life360 needs that to find the tile. As long as Bluetooth is on, you're good to move forward. Now you'll see the option to connect your tile using Bluetooth. I'm staying right here in the app and letting it do its thing. Life360 will start looking for nearby devices, and since the tile uses Bluetooth, it should pop up when it's ready. I keep my phone close to the tile while this happens so the connection goes smoothly. Once the tile appears, the app connects it through Bluetooth, and that's really all there is to it. I'm just following the on-screen prompts as they appear, staying within the app and letting the connection finish. It usually only takes a moment or two, so there's no need to rush anything. After it connects, the tile is now linked through Life360, and it shows up as an item you can keep track of. At this point, everything is set and the tile is connected through Bluetooth inside the Life360 app. I usually pause for a second just to make sure it shows correctly and that nothing is still loading. And that's it. You've opened the app, gone to locations, pulled up the details, added an item, confirmed Bluetooth is on, and connected your tile. Once that's done, you're all set and ready to use it inside Life360.